Hello guys, today we are going to repair cruise control. This is Cascadia 2017 and the cruise control switches are not working. You can in the both sides the switches are not working. So when I'm trying to put on, it doesn't go, like this cruise control doesn't work. Even the light switch, even the marker, these switches are not working at all. So none of them are working. So when I hook up the computer, there's no check engine, but when I hook up the computer, you can see there's a code saying steering wheel switch right, voltage shorted to high source, and steering wheel switch left, so sub bus switch missing. So this is switches are not good, they're not working. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this and change the switches for this. We're gonna change completely because even the city horn is not working. So to open, I already opened it, but I'm going to show you guys how to open it. Just put the pry, and you can pry from this side, and I already opened it, so just push it, pull it like that, it's open. You can see this just like that. There's no bolt screws or nothing, just pull it. There's two of them, they are going one of each side. You have to find out where it's going on the horn. So this is how we're gonna change. We're gonna unplug this. Okay. I already unplugged the wire from here, and I have another one already. I opened it from my old truck. I had a Cascadia sitting outside, the same model. So I took it from that one. I'm gonna install this one and check if everything is working or not. So we're gonna check this one first. Let me put the plug in. So even I changed this, the problem is still there. The cruise is not working and the city horn doesn't work. So the problem is not in this section. So the problem is there's one part under this steering wheel. We have to change that one. Okay, so we can unplug this first. Let me unplug. So okay, so first thing, this is the bolt you need to open. Make sure your steering is straight because it's gonna fuck up your lineup, but make sure your steering and your tires are straight. Then this is the bolt you need to open, and not you need to open. This is a 114. Open this and just pull out, so it will come out. You see the part here, this is called auto electric. I don't know the exact name for this. This is auto electric. So there's you can see there's a push-ins. Let me make it clear. Yeah, see, this is the push-ins. It's just pushed in. All you need is the tool like that, and just put it here and pry it out. You can, once you pry it out, just unplug from here, take it out. So this one we're gonna put it here. I have another one already, so I'm gonna put this one now. Just push it in gently like that. So once you pushed in, and then put the plug back. So after you put the plug back, now before we put the steering wheel, we're gonna test it. So let's put this one like that, then to test it. Let me put the plugs back, then we will continue the video. So there you go. So I put it. Now the wiring is in. We will check. There you go. You can hear the horn. So the problem was in there. This one probably burned out inside because there's a wiring inside. It probably burned out. So you can change it. There's a part number. You can buy it. This is the part number. You can call Freightliner and get this part and change it. And this was the problem. And the cruise, everything, it's already working. I already checked it. I started because I don't have a steering wheel. So I already started and I checked. The switches are working. this thing was perfectly fine. The problem was with this auto electric part. This was the problem. So now everything is working. Thank you for watching my video. If this helped you, you can send me thanks, or you can like my video to appreciate my work. Thank you so much.